Hi, I'm Shedrick and I'm the owner of Boss Hair. I made this wig and I'm showing you ladies exactly how I got this natural hairline. So basically I part a half an inch away from the hairline. Use some heat protectant, please, ladies. 2023, we need to be using some protectant on our hair, whether it's our wigs or our natural hair. Treat our hair like luxury. If you grew it out your head, treat it like luxury. If you spent money on it, treat it like luxury. This is the tweezers that I use. The slanted tweezers are A1 top tier product to use for plucking hair out of your lace. Highly recommend. So basically what you see me doing here is holding all the hair back and just like plucking apart, if that makes sense. Plucking apart, going backwards, and just measuring out with my eyes, basically, how far I want to go. Once I'm done with that, I comb the hair back with the hot comb. I don't do it wet anymore because I find this way a little bit more easier for me. But by all means, do what works for you. This is what works for me. So if you try it, let me know how it works for you. So I do the same thing. I would say a half an inch away from each line and continue to pluck a quote-unquote part. So here you can see me going back to where I was plucking those lines at and just randomly plucking. I'm going to pluck to my liking. Remember to pluck further back than further up because you don't want to make a bald spot closer to the hairline, then out the back more so of the front, but even it out. Make it like a smooth transition. Do not overdo it. Do not overthink it. Just take your time and do everything slowly until you catch the hang of things of plucking. See me placing a needle here so I can make sure that I do not pluck the middle too much. As we all know, or may not know, if you pluck the middle too much and that's where you want your part, it's gonna have a gap. So I'm now going to comb this hair back with my hot comb again and just randomly pluck unto my liking. That's all I'm doing. It's nothing to overthink about, nothing to be afraid of. Just go in and go. Here I'm just doing a little analyzing and see how far I'm getting with my plucking. This is me taking that first line of ventilated hair out of the lace. I don't always do it, but it just gives it a very natural look to me. So right now I'm just going to do a little bit more plucking. I want it to look a bit more natural than what I received initially, so that's why I plucked a little bit more. And remember, I'm going to do the same exact thing what I did on the first side to the other side. So this video is now going to be sped up because I do not want to prolong the time. If you need to go back, rewind, and pause, do just that. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you want me to post on this channel, and I'll do my best to post more.